Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today we are going to be working on the 4-season one from Fansells, and we'll be working right up in this little hill area, and we may get over this way a little bit. I'm not real sure how far we'll get, but that's what we're working on. And I'm using 471, which is kind of a light olive green. Pull you down so you can see where I'm at and what I'm doing. Yeah, oh my goodness. It's a good day to just stay home and stitch and watch TV and not do too much of anything. Yesterday and Tuesday about did me in. We had the order yesterday, so yeah, it was fun. And then it got just draggy. There wasn't a whole lot of people between 8 and 10, and I went home and I was just fried. So glad that's over with for the week, and now we can just sit back and do nothing. Now yesterday it did rain a little bit, but other than that the weather was not too bad at all. It was like 73-ish when I went to work, so yay. Come on, thread. So it wasn't too horribly bad. So I hope today will be like that. Maybe I might get to sit outside and stitch for a bit. We'll just have to see. It was all sunshiny and nice in the morning, and I get to work, and here comes the clouds. Yep. Started getting cloudier and cloudier and cloudier, and it sprinkled. I think it had rained a little bit before I got to work, but I laid down for about an hour before I went to work, and I could have swore it was raining, you know, while I was sleeping. Now, I don't know if I dreamed that or not, but, you know, here we are. So, we can have another day like that. It usually gets windier in the afternoon than any other time, so it'll be fine. So maybe I can sit out there. And I've noticed, you know, when I can't sit in my chair over here by the window after about about between 5 and 7-ish, because the sun is just right there and it comes right through that window. So yeah, I am doing this backwards and I can't figure out what is going on. We'll just go for broke. We'll just go this way. And so I know late in the evening, like from 6 on, I can't sit out there because the sun is just shining right on that porch. But in the morning, we'll be fine. So I might get some outside time. But I don't believe my daughter and I are going anywhere. I talked to her, what was it, yesterday, and she said she didn't feel like going anywhere. So we'll see. If anybody changes their mind now, I have to go into town and do a little bit of grocery shopping for the weekend. But other than that, I got no plans. None. Absolutely none. I worked on the flower path, and can't remember what the other one was. The one with the houses, the fantasy town thing. I worked on that a little bit in the morning yesterday, but not much else. Gonna have to flip this. Sorry, guys. This everything's kind of long up and down. I didn't want to get too close to where I was stitching. That doesn't work out for me. So I have no idea what the flavor of the weekend is going to be. I haven't really had any inkling to do smalls or big ones or anything like that. So we'll just take it one day at a time. So what is everybody else working on? I gotta turn again. Ow. I got a crink in my arm. I moved my shoulder in the wrong direction. What's everybody else working on? Are you working on summer stuff or winter stuff? Or see, if I was real smart, I'd start in January on Christmas, and then maybe I might have something done by Christmas. But yeah, no, that never works. It's always out there, but nope. By the time January comes along, I'm so sick of looking at Christmas stuff. See, so I don't know. Haven't gotten any grand plans here. Just seems like every time I have a plan, something goes awry. So I stopped making plans, because that's just when everything happens. Like, oh, I planned to stitch between blah, blah, blah. No, doesn't happen. Doesn't happen at all. Or I get it in my hand, and then I go, oh, shoot, I have to go do something else. So, yeah. Or I planned to sit in my stitchy chair a couple hours this morning. Yeah, no, that didn't happen. So, it's just better sporadic, I think. But I kind of stopped making progress on this. I was working on the, let me show you, that bird right there, just getting that blue color in, and that was about the last thing I worked on this. So, but I like working on it. There's nothing hard about it. There's going to be back stitching, but we know that. So I worked on the beach houses too a little bit, and trying to get that one beach house done. That's not happening. I was trying to add all the, you know, like you'll end up with a couple spaces like that and a couple spaces like that, and just getting the individual colors just done. No. Nope. Oh no. I did get the stupid palm trees done, but that was about as far as I got. I wanted to have them finished last week. I kept thinking, well, that'll be a little plan. Yep. Here goes that plan again. I'll finish those palm trees that are there. No. Finally got them 90% done. Of course, they'll need to be backstitched, but that's beyond the point. But, yeah. No. I'm better if I just pick it up, put a couple threads in it, and move on. So. But I thought this has a nice bit of stretches, you know, bigger areas to stitch in. So it's really good for a video, so I don't have to do this, you know, stop and start. I'm just actually out of thread at this point. But, because I hate doing confetti, you know, for a video. I know you don't want me to stop and start too much, because it just ruins everything. So I'm better if I just do the bigger areas for the videos. What else? There was something else I drug out. Hold on. We're having issues. Alright. There's a loop there somewhere. Holy cow. So anybody got any grand plans for this weekend? Going anywhere fun and doing a whole bunch of exciting stuff? Or are you going on a vacation? Yeah, I don't even remember what a vacation is. I think my daughter and I had a 2-day vacation to Cheyenne. What was that, 4 years ago? Yeah. Had a good time, but yeah, that was about the last time I had a vacation. And actually went somewhere. Yeah, no. Oh my goodness. Oh, may just have to take a nap today, I'm telling you. Just get caught up on sleep. I seem to be sleeping like, you know, that 5-hour thing, and then we're up, wide awake. And then about midday, I'm like, gotta take a nap. I don't understand. So somewhere I get 8 hours a day of sleep. But then sometimes I take a stupid nap and can't go to bed before 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. So, yeah. It's awesome being old. It's kind of a... Hang on. Hold that thought. Kind of a weird symbol. Do you see where that blue is? Those are stars. Like, what? I couldn't figure out what it was. I thought, oh no, we gotta put beads there or something, you know? No. They're stars. We get all kinds of lines and solid colors and everything else, but I've never seen stars. Oh, and the great big ones, you know. I think they had stars as a symbol in European Town. Speaking of European Town, have you seen what Miss Natalia's done? She is almost done with that thing. Bless her heart. Oh my goodness, no. I gave up. I just, one of these days I'll pick it up again, but nope. Oh my goodness. And this weekend, on Saturday, the theme for June is town scenes, real or imagined. So get ready for the weekend. Get out your little town scenes. And like I said, real or imagined. So I got some really cute patterns out there for those towns. I like that Satsuma Street patterns. Now that's counted. And they had it for different cities. We'll call it cities around the world, if you will. Because I think they had Sydney. And I can't remember what the other ones were. But they were just really cute and colorful, and they weren't very big. I don't know how bad the pattern was because I never got one of the patterns. So it was just different, you know. Oh, goodness. I noticed that Ching had a Stitching Dreamer on YouTube. So her name is Ching. She's had 2 videos, I think within, we'll call it 2 weeks. So check her out. It's Stitching, S-T-I, capital C-H-I-N-G, Dreamer. She's the one that had the festival, the Qingming festival along the river during the Qingming festival. Holy cow. Wow. Why they have to make them so complicated? So, alright guys, I think that is about it for today. We got all that done there, and we got all them done there. And then I'll have just that little bit right there, and a little bit over there. Alright guys, well thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.